If you've ever received a Spotify code from a friend or seen one online, you may wonder how to scan it to get straight to the music. It's easier than you think. Scanning Spotify codes is a great way to quickly share playlists, songs, or even artist profiles with others. So first, you're going to open the Spotify app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in. Then, tap the search icon at the top and look for the camera icon. Point your phone's camera at the Spotify code that you want to scan, and it will automatically open the link. Okay, that's it. You'll be taken to the right playlist or song from that code. Another way to share codes is by using the share feature within Spotify to get a code that you can scan or send to your friends. It's super simple and a fun way to share music. So now that you're ready to scan and discover amazing music, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, unsubscribe, subscribe again, and just keep clicking it. Just joking. See you later. Love ya. Hope this helped. Let me know your favorite song in the comments. Ciao.